Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this video, we learn how to add custom page on footer. Log into the backend. Now go to Content and then Shop Page. Type page name in description field and add page content in content field. Now assign the group to the page and save. Now go to Shop and refresh the page. To change the position, go to Backend, change the group and save. Refresh the page to see the changes. To add page in top menu, go to Backend, change the group and save. Refresh the page to see the changes. To disable the page without deleting content, uncheck from active checkbox and save. Click on German left pane and Service Support, and select the demo pages, and delete the selected pages. The demo pages has been deleted successfully. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel and also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.